We reject the empty promises made and being made by the UDA regime. Instead, we call on Kenyans to reject the punitive UDA policies that are making life unbearable. UDA is resorting to these policies because it was not ready and did not get any mandate to govern. 6. In particular, we call on Kenyans to resist and demand the removal of the punitive taxes that have led to punitive costs of basic products and services, including unga, milk, sugar, school books, fuel, electricity, bus fare, paraffin, and school fees. From today, we call on every Kenyan buying electricity tokens to take a very close look at the statement and see how much your money actually goes into tokens, how much goes to taxes, and how long are we going to live like this. 7.